Hi everyone, it's me, Jen, and my beloved Pusheen. I'm gonna be a hot mess. I didn't know if I was gonna make this video or not. He's worth it, you know. He's always my constant companion, and I'm talking about Pusheen, and he's always my companion, and he's always in all my videos. Always on my lives with me. He always expects to have his catnip while he's in my lives. He's my baby, my big boy. Turn my head like that, I'm looking at him in the camera. Try not to be a blubbered mess when I talk to you guys about it. Pusheen got sick a few weeks ago. They got worse, and the vet, he went in, he had difficulty breathing, and they discovered he had cancer when they had him, so we knew his time was going to be limited. Turns out they don't always do cancer surgery on cats. He has lung cancer in his left lung. They don't always, they don't like to remove a lung in a cat. Yeah, but that's not his big problem. You'd think it would be. It's not. He had a heart attack, a kitty heart attack. Yeah, bless him. He started suffering heart failure. And he is in full-blown heart failure. He's on multiple medications. It's very expensive. He spent a significant time in the vet hospital and multiple visits, obviously. The vet tech has come to my house many times, as recently as yesterday, to give him injections. He's not doing well. He can be on medications. Well, he is on medications. He may have a few days, maybe a couple weeks, but that's it. He won't survive the heart failure. Basically, he's suffering. The medications he has are keeping him comfortable. They can't give him anything for pain because it would kill him. So we are keeping him as comfortable as possible. We've thoroughly discussed it with the whole, all the doctors at the vet. There's 3 different doctors at our vet. And we'll take him in on Friday. And they will make him extremely comfortable. And then they will help him to pass the Rainbow Bridge. This is not a decision my husband and I have taken very lightly. This is a very difficult decision. We didn't take him sooner. It's allowing us time to say goodbye to him. You know. The vet's not even sure he'll make it till Friday. But they hoping he will. hopefully he will make it till Friday. Where I live at is very close to a veterinary school, university, and they can't do anything for him. So we have provided him with the best veterinary care that our money can purchase, and there's nothing that they can do. They don't do heart transplants on animals. Wish they did. Yeah, I'm sounding silly. I know. I just wanted to come on and tell you myself what's going on with them. There is a post on my community tab. It's been a hard road with him. But we're doing the best that we can. I'd ask that you keep my family in your prayers. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, we're just gonna keep him comfortable and happy and give him all the lovely things that he likes, which has been approved by the vet, so he gets to have everything he wants. You know, he does spend most of the time sleeping, which is about 20 hours out of 24. But that's okay. It's quite alright. I'll take what time I can have with him. If you would, love on your pets. They're your babies. Your fur babies, if you will. Please donate to Bag O' Days for baby auction for the animals. I would appreciate that. And if you can't, if you could donate to your local animal clinics and things like that, I would really appreciate that. You know, you might see me on the YouTube streets, you might not. I'll be back with TFF this weekend, I think. So, I'm going to put up a couple of photos of Pusheen through the years, and maybe you'll enjoy them. I know I do. But thank you guys for your support and your love and your prayers. I really appreciate it. I know my big guy does. Wish he was awake for you, but he does spend a lot of time sleeping. But stay safe out there, guys. I love you all. Bye now.